I've been hearing really good things about the Billie razor, so I wanted to try it out and see what the hype is about. This is what I got. I actually love the way it packaged together. Inside this bag, you're gonna get 2 of these razor refills. And then the bag, you probably can't tell as well, but it's like an iridescent rainbow in there. Isn't that cute? And then this is the box that it comes in. It slides out from the bottom. The presentation is just on point with this, right? Of course, we gotta know, does it work well? So it says you're so close to ultra smooth skin. Inside, you have a little more information on that. And then what also sold me on this is this magnetic part where you can hang it in your shower. And I love that because normally I have mine just sitting on a little shelf and it's not the best way to have it. So I love that I'm gonna be able to hang that up. And this just comes off and sticks right on. So that's super cool. Boom. Love that. This is what it looks like. It's nice and soft and kind of almost like a rubbery feel to it. You have a couple dots up there for some good grip. That's going to be how you release it. I do have a little bit of water here. I'm not going to shave my legs right now, but I figured, you know what, I could do a little quick demo on my arm. Why not? So let's just do that. It's so easy to use. So easy to use. Just pulled off all my arm hair, leaves it super smooth as well. And that's just with water. Normally I use some soap at least, but really easy to use. I am so excited for this. This is the Billie razor with the refills. Oh wait, that's not all. I just found more. So in this side, there was another one of these razors and some backup sticky stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in my shower. Looks good. Solid.